Welcome back to the top-down adventure tutorial in GameMaker. What I have done here is I've gone ahead and deleted the archer. Okay, there's a few things that I wasn't happy about with the archer, and since I've added extra code to the wizard now, I'm just going to ignore the archer and I'll recreate him in a later video using the wizard as a parent. So what I want to do here is I want to make it so that the player can move left and right. Okay, well, they already can move left and right, but I want to update the graphics so that the player can move left and right and actually see it. So rather than have the wizard walking backwards, he'll face the left. To do that, I'm going to edit this sprite. I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to set the animation length to 2 frames. 2 frames that are exactly the same. I'm going to edit this second one, and I'm going to go transform, mirror, flip, and flip it that way. I'll click OK. Now I actually have 2 different sprites. If I run the game at the moment though, it's going to do really odd things. Okay, because currently that now has an animation on it, and so he sits there flipping out backwards and forwards. So I'll close that, and I'm going to go to the create event, and in here we're going to add our second initialize variable, which is image speed equals 0. Image speed equals 0 means that it will not animate. In here, I've added a little bit of code called update the graphics, and I'm going to start this from scratch here. So if keyboard check, and I'm going to use ORD and A. So if I'm pushing the left key, then what I want to happen is I want to change the image index equals 1. I'll go into this image here, edit sprite. You see image 1 is him facing the left. So when I push the left key, it's going to change it to image index 1. When I am pushing the right key, I'm going to change it to image 0. And that's pretty much all I need to do to get this guy to work. Hopefully, it'll work. Okay, so now he moves left and right. There's a little bit of a glitch there in that if I push left while he's moving, he'll kind of do a moonwalk back. But it seems to be working mostly well. I can do this here. I'll add one extra thing. I can go end aligned. And aligned. Okay, so it can only change when he's on that grid. Now the reason I can use aligned in this script, even though I haven't declared it, is because it's been declared not there, but in the previous one right here. Okay, so it's been used before. Even though it's a different script, it's still the same object and it has those same variables, so I can use that there. So now, oops. Okay, now it works a lot better. So I can move left and right. I'm not going to worry about making it so that he actually attacks out of the right side. That's not a priority for me. But I do want to make sure that when the object fireball, when it does 2 things, when it is outside the room, it destroys itself, and also when it collides with a wall, it destroys itself. So now I can't shoot through walls, I can't shoot through trees. Okay, so there is things that will block that now. And that's looking pretty good. I think that was all that I wanted to cover in this video here. So changing that sprite, updating it so that it would move around, and making sure that the fireball didn't go on forever, making sure that it collided with the walls. I'm pretty sure that's all that I was going to do in that short video.